So guys, I got a new exhaust, and you already know how to get a Tomei, but I'm finna unbox it for you guys. Already kind of opened it. Yeah, it comes with resonator, and then the big boy is down here, and here's the muffler. It also came with a license plate and some stickers and a silencer, which I don't think you'll be needing that. But yeah, here it is, the muffler. I'm about to go ahead and open this up, see how it looks. Sick. I'll give you guys some sound clips after I'm done installing it, see how you guys like it and stuff. But yeah, other than that, this shit's fucking clean. Honestly, Tomei is probably one of the best exhausts you can get for a VQ. It's probably the best sounding one, in my opinion. I had a Megan racing one on my G35, and it did not sound as good as the Tomei. Honestly, if you're like between 2,000 or 3,000 RPM, you don't get a lot of drone. I mean, you have drone, but it's not like super bad, you know? I'm running stock cats, stock white pipe, and the Tomei, and it really doesn't drone. Also, the Tomei backfires a lot, so you gotta be careful with like cops and shit. and it's pretty loud once you get on the gas, but other than that, the Tomei is really tameable, I guess. Tomei is pretty loud once you get it over like 3,000 RPM, but under 3,000 you're fine. Like I said, it's probably one of the best sounding ones I've heard on a VQ, and I recommend getting a Tomei.